flag back out here. Here comes Will Kimmel. Great restart. Whoa, one car upside down.
It's Skeeter Crum in trouble down there. Wow, he got up in the air, got up in the outer retaining wall, and went for a ride. Over the wall. Wow, over the wall. We got a car over the wall.
Oh, my, and they're going to check on that driver over the wall here at Salem Speedway.
One car out of the, it's been a long time since one left the building here at Salem Speedway. Wow.
And way down the hill there, that is a far distance.
Holy shit.